I think someone glitch. She does play like a fairy. If she sees me, she's flying. She's doing this for past days. It's been like July, look. I'll see you. Yeah, she's doing this for 13 days. I teach you how to fly like a fairy. First get some books and go to it. Go here and turn around. Wait. Turn around and move. Oops, didn't work. We need to try again. Aray ko, lumipad. Okay, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And try again. She's doing it. Maybe I can do it. Maybe I can do it like this too. Wait, yes, I can fly. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, that's all.